again, traders. Jason here at ForexTradersLive.com. Wanted to welcome you back for another video update. Now, I was hoping that USD Canada would come down into target 2 and I'd have some really good news tonight, another 220 pip winner, but it's getting hung up here at around the 106 area, so we're going to have to put it off for another day. But again, market's moving just as we anticipated. We broke through the structure support here, and now the market kind of drifting sideways. But definitely see some room on the downside here for some additional profits. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll update you, obviously, when the trades come in. But let's go ahead and pull over for you folks that are watching the free portion of this, and let's take a look at the current positions as they now stand. So we'll go ahead and bring that over here. And as you guys can see here, USD Canada, the only active position that we've got open. Let me move this a little bit sideways so we can kind of see. Actually, I'll move it down here so we can see. The only active position we've got at 108.18 is where we entered on the short side, right in here, right in this area. And of course, did get short there. And market has now pressed down. Target 1 was attained yesterday for about 154, 156 pips of profit, and now we're looking for that target 2. Euro pound, these are all pending orders, the rest of these, at 88.26. New Zealand looking for buying orders at 68.99. Pound USD, looking for a buy order, another really nice CST score or CTS score of 9 there at 161.15, and then a brand new one tonight, guys. Euro Japanese yen, a CTS score of 5, so kind of a mid-range buy recommendation there at 129.51. Now, position sizing, guys, this is basically just for a private client group. They understand what this means as far as the position sizing goes. And, of course, private client group, we give stops, targets, all of that inside of that. But if you're just looking for some good trading ideas, the free videos are great because we do give you, right where to look to get long or get short. But let's pull over let's go ahead and just look at Euro Japanese yen for just a minute, and we will we'll talk about that briefly. And then those in the private client group, we're gonna break that one down tonight and show you how we came at these decisions. And traders, here we are, Euro yen. As you can see, it had the impulse leg, the pullback, and then the projection down into the 127 extension. And then the market has since rallied off of that, coming back up in to retest those highs. But again, seeing some strong ratio confluence down here at this 127 extension, along with some previous structure relevance in there as well. Whoop. And so as we continue to move forward, let me see if I can collapse this chart up. As we continue to move forward, these 127s are going to be, a nice area there for some potential long opportunities, and that's really what we're looking at tonight as far as the major change. Now, again, guys, 240-minute chart, daily charts, so we don't see, sometimes what we have are updates. We don't have, brand new trades that we're getting involved with. But the important thing is, guys, that we sit and wait. And this has to do with patience. And we'll talk a little bit, those of you in the private client group here, directly about that, because that is very, very critical. I want to run through some stuff with you about, kind of debunking some myths about trading and day trading and swing trading and all of those things. So we're going to get into that tonight, those of you in the private client group. But for everybody else, you have the list. When I send out the email tonight, you're also going to get this list to keep, and it'll be available on the website. So you guys can review back to it at your leisure and say, okay, now where was I supposed to buy? And you can go ahead and annotate your charts and do all that stuff that you need to do. Hey, last thing, guys, I'm just overwhelmed at the response that we're getting. This private client group is brand new, and it's taking off in a big way. And I'm really excited for all of you who have gotten involved with that. I've been talking with some of you on the phone, and we've been sharing a little bit, and so I appreciate your feedback. But that's it tonight for the free section. Now, for those of you in the private client group, let's go ahead and tear this chart down and take a look at it from the bare bones.